Tuono V4 1100 Factory is the more exclusive version, dedicated to an extremely demanding public. This bike is equipped with components that are largely derived from the Aprilia RSV4 RF superbike. The factory features a series of carbon fiber details, as well as semi-active electronic suspension, the most advanced currently available on the market, developed by Öhlins and fine-tuned with the collaboration of Aprilia engineers. Calibration is facilitated thanks to simple handlebar controls for an even more thrilling riding experience whatever the field of use. The wind tunnel tested carbon fiber puts in an appearance right out of the gate at the front fender of the Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Not only is the overall shape cut down from full size to keep unsprung weight down, but the carbon fiber material contributes to lightening efforts at the front axle. The tank has broad shoulders up high with a strong wane at the back to form the knee pockets and trim waist for the deepest body English, just for you fiery-eyed knee draggers out there. V4 Power drives an aluminum chassis with robust ride control electronics with a definite bias for track use, and it comes adorned with weight-saving carbon fiber bits and bobs to minimize mass. Dual 330mm stainless steel discs and 4-pot Brembo monoblock calipers slow the front wheel, and out back, a 220mm disc and twin piston anchor takes care of business, all under the protection of the Bosch 9.1 MP ABS feature that keeps you from overdoing it with the brakes and consequently losing traction. It comes with anti-rear wheel lift-up software built in to help keep the rear wheel planted under hard front wheel braking actions. A minimal pillion pad and fold-up foot pegs make it possible to carry a very brave passenger, but if you prefer that solo racer look, you can easily strike the pegs and slap on a cover to tidy up the tail. The LED taillight comes integrated with the tip of the tail, but for easy removal, the rear turn signals, plate holder and plate light are all borne by the short foam mudguard so they can be removed ahead of race days.